Ay, ini si Ramon.
Sa Pilipinas. Okay, Tagat, litaw ka. Alo.
Good morning, you guys. We are now riding the bus going to Nami Island. We just met up somewhere in Myeongdong bus station. This is a group tour from Klook. We got it for around, I think, 4,000 plus or 3,000 plus. This is a package tour which includes the Alpaca pasture, the Nami Island, Garden of Morning Camp, Petit France, and Italian village.
Number one.
Waiting for the alpacas to come. Ito man din. Oh my God, dili na kita nakita. Picture ka sa camera, babe. You're so cute.
넘버스는 3번 고객님. 아니 이거 3개고 잠깐만. 땡큐. 쿠폰. 기분미 쿠폰. 땡큐.
2, 3. One, two, three. What's it again? 1, 2, 3. Paano pag tuloy ko mamshi?
什么都干不了，大家那边的话全部看我们拿的东西全部幻想，和百姓一样，所以我们是不需要遵守时间的。然后中景道是分中景南道和中景北道，然后右边有那个上面有那个中景道的，下面有那全老道，全老道也是分两种，全老南道和全老北道。然后在右边的话有那个青山道，也是青山道，也是青山南。
那个4号到哪里？小朋友。
There's a little immigration here in this island because they said it's a little country too.
Going to Nami Island, the place where I was born.
Mura naman pwede naman yung malangoy. Oy, okay na, walang kayo.
Tutoy-tuyo ko daw ka sa island.
Ah, okay.
I-tour ka ba sa dagat? Kaya po tayo, libre pa.
Ala to, ebay ganyan siya nga. Bani handsome, bunong Korea.
Ano siya?
Korea ba? Ano, kalupat po.
Dito sa zipline.
Ayun kayo, no?
Pareha lagi sa Pinas. No? Sana ba yun? Anak siya naman stay. Welcome to Cebu. Welcome to our hearts.
misa.
Over here. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. Thank you so much. How about you? You want us to take a picture? Okay guys, so we're actually here in Nami Island, but it's almost winter, so their leaves are really falling in the ground and there's not much autumn foliage right now, but it's okay. It's a cute island though. Okay guys, so we are now here in Petit, France, an Italian village. It's just right next to each other. And here it is. Oh, how cute. Milano. Umagano. Antique. Ay, ini si Ramon. There are also cafes inside the Italian village. So from Italian village, we are going to be going to Petit, France, which is just right there. And look at the view behind it.
Basig barato dito sa music.
Ay, dili.
May mag-sure na. YouTube na lang ka, Ramon. Okay? Tara. Kaliro ko na siya. Kaliro ko mag-ilok.
Shiba.
1, 2, 3, 4. Puka daw. Next. I know art. 1, 2, 3.
So pretty in here. There's a lot of like nice spots for photos and videos. And if you're into art exhibits, then this place is for you. You should add this into in your itinerary.
Hello, welcome to Petit, France, where all the Petits are here.
We are the Petites. There are a lot of antiques here in Petit, France. Play daw, babe. Sige daw, sige daw. Hello. Hindi na siya mag-play. sad to say. What is that sound? Mura may umu-umu dili ma'am. Bye-bye, ma'am. Pwede manaan.
Dagat, lipaw ka. Hello? Ramona,
Okay guys, so we are now here in Garden of Morning Calm, but it's not calm anymore.
it's morning.
All the trees are so sad because they're all dried up because it's almost winter, but it's okay. The
Part
place is
of
still
the
cute.
season.
Sugag tingog sa akong amega eh.
Yes.
Pag-check ka.
Hello, so Elijah is going to, what is this one? Jupiter something. So let's see how Elijah will pose and take pictures. I'll see you later. Asahan niya siya.
Cute cafe inside Good Morning. This is a cute cafe, but they don't have coffee available anymore, so we have to go. Let's go. Hello guys, so we are now here in No Brand Burger here in Hongdae because we were dropped off by our bus, our tour bus from Nami Island here in Hongdae because it's super traffic if they will still go to Myeongdong. And I just don't know why there are a lot of ambulance and fire trucks outside, if you can see it. I'm just gonna show you a video later. And their burgers here are good. For this specific meal, I felt that it was worth it. The price was also great. So we paid around 19,000 won for a set which consists of 3 burgers, 1 fries, 1 chicken nuggets, and 3 drinks already. And for me, that was really worth it. Lagi na sunog.
Let's run.
Pwede maki-hitch ninyo guys.
Kana?
Dili, kanat dito eh. Dagalay-lain man kanat, dugay ni matang-tang kanipod.
Kani dong air velvet.
Kani kay mo siyang mat. One ride siya ma'am.